to refer to employment or a job. Go to work, find work, work from home. She goes to work every morning at 8 a.m. Many people struggle to find work after graduation. He prefers to work from home rather than commute. To describe effort or activity: hard work, teamwork, do the work. Success comes from hard work and determination. Teamwork is essential for a successful project. You need to do the work before expecting results. To indicate functioning or effectiveness: work properly, work well, work fine. The printer doesn't work properly, it keeps jamming. This new software works well on all devices. The old machine still works fine. To refer to a task or assignment: schoolwork, office work, housework. She is busy with schoolwork and exams. I have a lot of office work to finish before the deadline. He helps his mom with housework on weekends. To express creating or producing something: work on a project, work of art, work in progress. They are working on a project for the new client. This painting is considered a great work of art. The new website is still a work in progress. To indicate influence or effect on something: work out, work against, work in favor of. If we stick to the plan, things will work out. The new rule works against small businesses. His connections worked in his favor during the negotiations. Common collocations with work: get to work, work experience, out of work, work environment, work schedule. Let's get to work. We have a lot to do. She has 5 years of work experience in finance. Many people were out of work due to the recession. A positive work environment boosts productivity. My work schedule is flexible, allowing me to travel.